Hello everyone, I am Deblina and welcome to India Business Insights. To enable us to present this video quickly after the budget, we are doing something slightly different. This is not a presentation and this is not a political speech summary. What you are looking at on screen is an analyst reference pack on the Union Budget 2026-27. It would be the best to watch this video in full screen mode. This video will act as a guided voiceover, helping analysts, students and serious learners understand what to focus on, what to ignore and how to interpret this budget. How to use this deck? If you are an analyst, this deck is meant to be read, not watched passively. So please use this as a conceptual map. Pause the video, read the slide, then continue. This voiceover will give you context and prioritization, not slide-by-slide reading. Big picture. What kind of budget is this? Union Budget 2026-27 is best described as a continuity budget. There is no populism, no major giveaways and no sharp tax cuts. The government's priority is very clear: fiscal discipline, infrastructure-led growth, long-term structural reforms. This budget is aligned with the broader vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047, even at the cost of short-term political comfort. Fiscal strategy. Why 4.4% deficit matters. Let's start with the fiscal math. The fiscal deficit is held at 4.4% of GDP, despite pressures from defense, infrastructure and social spending. This signals three things. Number 1, commitment to fiscal consolidation. Number 2, confidence in revenue buoyancy without tax hikes. Number 3, stability for bond markets and long-term investors. So please remember this. Fiscal discipline is now being treated as a structural anchor, not a temporary goal. Capex, the core growth engine. Capital expenditure is the heart of this budget. At 12.2 lakh crore rupees, capex is the highest ever in absolute terms. Around 4.4% of GDP, again a record. The government is clearly betting on the capex multiplier: jobs, logistics efficiency, steel, cement and long-term productivity. The bigger risk here is state-level execution, which analysts should watch very closely. Taxation. What did not change is as important as what did. On income tax, the most important point is status quo. No change in slabs, no new deductions, and no middle-class relief. This disappointed many households. But from a policy perspective, it reinforces predictability and stability. For exams, note this clearly. Standard deduction remains at 75,000 rupees. 12.75 lakh rupees is effectively tax-free for salaried individuals under the new regime. New Income Tax Act 2025. A structurally important reform is the New Income Tax Act, effective from April 1, 2026. This replaces the 1961 Acts, cuts the text by nearly 50%, and aims to reduce litigation. This is not about lowering tax rates. It is about reducing ambiguity and compliance friction. We will do a full-length video on the New Income Tax Act and we have experts to give you the guidance on this soon. STT hike. Why markets reacted sharply. The most controversial move in this budget is the sharp hike in Securities Transaction Tax on F&O trades. Futures STT is increased by 150%, options by up to 50%. The government's stated objective is to discourage excessive speculative trading, protect retail investors. Markets reacted negatively because trading costs rise sharply. Brokerage revenues are volume linked. There is a real Laffer curve risk if volumes fall sharply. Analysts should track F&O volumes and STT collections closely over the next few months. Corporate tax, MAT and buyback reforms. On the corporate side, two reforms stand out. First, minimum alternate tax is reduced from 15% to 14% and MAT becomes final tax, with no longer further credit accumulation. Second, buyback taxation is overhauled. Buybacks are now taxed as capital gains in the shareholders' hands. Manufacturing and strategic sectors. The manufacturing push focuses on 7 strategic sectors: semiconductors, rare earths, pharma, chemicals, capital goods, textiles, and sports goods. Particularly important are rare earth corridors aimed at reducing India's dependence on China for critical minerals. Risks and what to watch. To conclude, there are 3 key risks to watch. Number 1, F&O volume decline and STT revenue outcomes. Number 2, state capex execution, which determines growth impact. Number 3, FPI flows, especially in a volatile global trade environment. This budget lays a strong long-term foundation, but execution will determine success. In summary, Union Budget 2026-27 is structurally sound, growth-oriented, non-populist. Short-term market volatility is possible, but the long-term policy direction is clear. If you are an analyst or a student, treat this deck as a reference tool, not a slideshow. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to India Business Insights for more deep dive economic analysis. We present business and economic research on a wide range of subjects. For custom research projects and details of our published research, please connect with us at the given email ID.